In Shining World Compassion Award news from the United States, a teenager from Newark, New Jersey named Sir Darius Brown has helped hundreds of dogs find loving homes by making fashionable bow ties for them. Sir Darius was inspired to take action when he learned that animals who are not adopted from many shelters are sadly euthanized. The bow ties make the dogs stand out as individuals, thus increasing their chances of being adopted into forever homes. The young vegan entrepreneur's handmade bow ties have been donated to animal shelters across the United States and in the United Kingdom, while a portion of each sale from his company, Bow and Paws, are also given to the American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals.
I believe that all animals should have a safe place to live and have a nice home. I feel as though that all animals should have the best life.
We also want to bring more awareness to animal adoption.
Yes.
Because a lot of people shop and breed, and that produces more animals when there's already animals within shelters that people can go to, and you can get beautiful, happy, loving dogs from shelters rather than going to a breeder.
Our beloved Supreme Master Ching Hai lovingly presented Sir Darius Brown the Shining World Compassion Award plus $10,000 to chip in for this caring endeavor, with love and gratitude. Our association members in New Jersey, USA were honored to present to Sir Darius the award letter, crystalline plaque, and master's check of $10,000, as well as for publications and DVDs.
Sir Darius, it is with great admiration and gratitude that we present to you the Shining World Compassion Award for using your artistic brilliance to save precious animal lives. This award is presented in recognition of using your talents to design and make bow ties for dogs, enabling them to much more easily find a forever loving home.
It is with great honor to be receiving the Shining World Compassion Award from Supreme Master Ching Hai. This award is so beautiful. I love the hearts and the hearts at the bottom, the way it's designed. It's just amazing, and I'm very thankful for this award. It will also be benefiting the lives being saved for the dogs, and it will also benefit the supplies for me making the bow ties. It will also help for the Possum Mission, which is me going around 50 states in the United States, donating my bow ties to animal shelters, and it will help dogs' life being saved faster.
Our heartfelt congratulations, Sir Darius Brown. May your creative approach for rescuing dogs be ever more successful in divine blessings. For the full presentation of the Shining World Compassion Award to Sir Darius Brown, please tune in to our Shining World Award program at a later date.
Libya receives life-saving medical supplies. The United Nations Children's Fund, or UNICEF, has arranged for approximately 122 metric tons of vital medicines and supplies to be used to strengthen maternal and child health efforts in Libya. UNICEF, in partnership with Libya's Ministry of Health, has designated 34 health centers in 26 municipalities to receive the aid, which will benefit 225,000 women and children.
The assistance will also include international standard-based training for medical staff
to enhance nutrition and child health services as well as data management. Our sincere appreciation, UNICEF and the Libyan government, for working to save the lives of mothers and infants. May the fine people of Libya flourish in Allah's gentle munificence.
New solar plant opens in the United Kingdom, a Shining World Wise Leadership Award, and a Shining World Leadership Awards for Animal Protection and Kindness Laureate. Bumpers, a 12-megawatt solar farm in Buckinghamshire, southeast England, will power about 2,800 homes in the area and help reduce 5,000 metric tons of pollution annually. The site will be maintained for 25 years by leading UK-based renewable energy company Anesco and has been constructed with careful consideration protection for the surrounding ecology, including vulnerable bat and bird species. In the near future, the facility will also develop battery storage towards supporting the country's goal to reach net zero carbon emissions by 2050. High five on this green energy addition. United Kingdom, may we see more such development that are considerate of nature. In God's grace.
United Nations, a Shining World Leadership for Life-Saving Hero Award laureate, assists Yemen by restoring public washrooms. The United Nations Development Program, operating with Japanese funds, has renovated and now maintains 12 public latrine buildings in the city of Al-Mukalla, Yemen. Providing sanitation facilities to 250,000 people who live in the region, the public lavatory will help to ensure adequate cleanliness during the COVID-19 pandemic and beyond. The project included the installation of wastewater pumps, the supply of garbage trucks, rehabilitation of infrastructure, and training of staff to manage the facilities. Japan is a Shining World Leadership Awards for Compassion, Animal Protection, and Generosity laureate. Our praise and gratitude, United Nations Development Program and Japan. May heaven shield the health of the hospitable Yemeni people.
Russian citizens take in children with disabilities during lockdown. Residents of Moscow in Russia have started inviting orphans with disabilities and psychiatric patients into their homes during the COVID-19 lockdown to allow them more space and protection than their usual facilities could provide. The government of Russia passed an emergency measure that allows citizens to take residents of state institutions into their homes during this time. As a result, a number of children and others in need have been able to self-isolate properly in a more comfortable environment. Russia is a Shining World Leadership Award for Wildlife Protection and a Shining World Generosity Leadership Award laureate. Thank you, citizens and government of Russia, for your kind moves. In celestial love, we pray that the brave people of Russia and all over the world will soon be safe and free again as we awaken to a more compassionate world.
Demand for plant protein increases in Asia as meat safety concern grows. Since the start of the COVID-19 outbreak, which originated from a wild animal market in China, vegan food suppliers in Asia have seen an increase in the popularity of their products as consumers reassess their diets. Notably, online sales of Omnipore, which was launched by Hong Kong social enterprise Green Monday, have more than doubled, while purchases of Just Egg on China's major e-commerce sites, JD.com and Tmall.com, have increased 30%. Furthermore, Hong Kong online food service provider Deliveroo noted that vegan food orders have doubled compared to last year. Green Monday's CEO and co-founder David Yon said, "I believe there will be a general awakening, and from this, it will accelerate the development of the plant-based industry. Our appreciation, plant-based product suppliers and service providers of the world, for the protection of all beings, including ourselves. May we swiftly embrace the wholesome vegan lifestyle in Buddha's mercy."
Loving dog protects pregnant cat in Mexico. After observing his caregiver, Juan Jose P. Flores, regularly feed a homeless cat, in her hour of need, Hades the pit bull invited her to deliver her babies in his doghouse. As protection for the pregnant feline, Hades stayed just outside the doghouse entrance, on a blanket he had pulled over for himself. The sweet feline gave birth to 2 beautiful kittens under Hades' watchful presence. Currently, the new mother, now named Nicole, and her babies are living happily indoors with Mr. Flores and Hades, hoping that his canine companion's caring nature changes any negative perceptions about his breed. Mr. Flores said, quote, "Hades put everything aside to help someone else. We should do the same without expecting anything in return." Unquote. Our hugs and high respect, selfless Hades. Many thanks for tending to animal friends in need, Juan Jose P. Flores. May we always recognize the amazing noble qualities of other species. In heaven's goodness,
Supreme Master Ching Hai joyfully present Hades with the Shining World Compassion Award, plus $3,000 for your and the cat's vegan goodies. Heavens will reward you more, and you'll be forever loved. Big hug to you and your protected adorable felines. Big thanks to your benevolent human protector, Mr. Flores. May God bless you all.